guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very different one. It's going to be a battle of the brow products. In my right hand, I have this L'Oreal Unbelieva Brow product, and in my left hand, I have the Maybelline Tattoo Eye Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on this and which one might be better, and then keep watching. So I got the L'Oreal product in a box from Influenster, and the Maybelline one I actually purchased on my own. I purchased this though literally a couple days before I found out I was getting this. That's just how the universe works sometimes. We're going to talk about the Maybelline one first. So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. So on the front, this is what the front looks like. Right here is just how to apply it. Here is just some claims, and then on the back is just all the ingredients and whatever. So this claims that they have a new brow gel that lasts up to 2 days because the formula is supposed to adhere to the brow for a no hassle wear, do not transfer, does not smudge, waterproof look. So inside the package you get this tiny little spoolie, which I hated. I'll just say that right off the bat. It's horrible. It's too little. You can't use it. And then this is what the actual product itself looks like. So when you open it up, this is the applicator, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Do you guys see how it's like spiky looking and pointy? That was really messy. It was a little messy. I would use a different angled brush with it, and it kind of worked, but it still would pick up a ton of product, so I'd wipe it off on the back of my hand. And in a way, I still felt like it was messy. I don't know. This is just a messy product. So I would just, you know, apply it, all that stuff. Is this waterproof? Yes. Is it smudge proof? Yes. For both of these products, I did do the Six Flags wear test. Now, I think a Six Flags wear test is pretty good because at Six Flags, you're walking around, you're sweating. You're going on rides. I go on all the roller coasters. So, you know, I'm getting that force of wind in my face to test it. Didn't smudge. Didn't really budge. This one, it just smudged because it was messy when applying it. It was like clumpy. I think that's the thing. It's very clumpy. According to the box, 98% of the people saw fuller brows, and 93% said the gel didn't transfer. I didn't see any transfer. I did see a little bit fuller brows. My brows are just a lost cause, so whatever you do to them, they just look like poopy. But I feel like they did look okay with this. Would I recommend it? Sure. It's okay for a drugstore. It's not the best, it's not the worst. I will get to the long-lasting claims once I'm done talking about this guy. This is the L'Oreal Unbelieva Brow Long Wear Brow Gel. So this brow gel pretty much has about the same claims. So on the front, this is what the front of the package looks like. And then pretty much it just jumps to the back with the directions and whatever. So inside the box, you get the product right here and this really nice spoolie and brush, dual-ended brush. I really love the brush. It is easily my favorite brow brush that I own. This is just the perfect length, the perfect like thickness of brush. Like, it is just great. I really like it, and it's not like a flimsy cheap brush. It's awesome. And then this is what the product itself looks like. It kind of just is like a lip gloss with the doe foot applicator, or like a liquid lip. Pretty like standard. So this one, you just apply it like normal. There are multiple ways you can apply it, which I'll talk about in a second. So when I apply this, you can apply this one both of these two ways. You could just use the wand and then the spoolie to brush it out. When I do that, it gets too messy because I'm a mess. So what I'll do is I will take product off of the brush with this end and just carve out everything, get the shape that I want, fill it in lightly, and then especially the front I'll fill in with the brush, and then I'll go in with the wand of this just to really fill in like hold on, I'm looking in the mirror behind you, this section right here of the brow, if that makes sense. That's how I use this product. When I would do that with this one, it would just get way too messy and I would get Sharpie brow. But this one, I feel like the brow comes out way more natural. It did stand up to my Six Flags test of walking around, sweating, going on rides, all that stuff. Waterproof, yes, I have splashed my face with both these products with water. However, the whole, it's supposed to last on your eyebrows for a day or two, whatever, that is just, no. Okay, if you think about it, when you wash your face, soap and water get in your eyebrows. Even if you try to avoid, it's gonna happen. But they fade away. I shower at night. I can't see my eyebrows because there's no mirror in the shower. So they fade away. So if you don't shower at night or whatever you do, whenever you shower, both of these products may last for you with the whole like long lasting clean. I do think my brows looks really, really nice throughout the day with both of these products. However, I really like the L'Oreal one more just because I like the applicator better. I think it's a better applicator. It's cleaner. It's easier. This one, not so much. It's too messy. I'm still going to use both of the products, obviously, because I don't want to let them go to waste. But this one I feel like is better. I also feel like the L'Oreal one is just better for the price because you're getting a better brush. Honestly, I'd want these two because of the brush. This one, you're just getting the spoolie and it's so hard to use. It's too little for me, honestly. And if you're one of those people with like long nails, like good luck with that spoolie because it's not happening. It is not happening. I don't even have nails and it wasn't no for me. But the L'Oreal one I feel like is just better. I like both of the colors. Like I said, they're both long lasting. I think they're both waterproof, but it's very hard to keep away the cleansers and all that stuff and soap and water. Well, water is fine because it's waterproof, but just keeping away the cleansers and whatever is hard, and they aren't really necessarily long lasting, especially with me. Like, I like to make sure my face is nice and clean before I go to bed and all that. And not going by the eyebrow area is hard because, you know, I put highlight in my brow bone and all that stuff, and foundation is near there and sometimes concealer. So are they extremely long lasting? No, but they're long lasting where they'll get you through the whole day and your brows still look really good. They, like I said, you can wear these to Six Flags. Your brows look great. They are waterproof. They just don't give you that tint. I like how they make your brows look. You can do natural looks. You can do dramatic. I totally blanked on that word. I think they're really good for that. But the L'Oreal, in my book, wins because you get a nice brush. You get a better applicator in like the doe foot wise. The L'Oreal one in this little battle, I think, is just better for the value. Like I said, the applicator's better and you're getting a better brush, and I think the L'Oreal one is just way easier to use. So definitely check out the L'Oreal one. If you want to check out the Maybelline one too, go check that one out. I'm not stopping you. Go check it out. But yeah, I really like the L'Oreal one better because that's the one I've been reaching for more. And that is it for this little battle of the brow. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these would you try, or have you tried them? Let me know if you like them down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!